Hey guys, today I'm showing you the StarTech Standalone Duplicator and Eraser. And I love this tool, especially when I'm trying to wipe two drives in a DoD format at the same time. Saves a lot of time. And I use it a lot too when I'm just trying to take, like, let's say for instance a 500 gig or a terabyte, whatever drive to a solid state drive. Usually you use some kind of duplicating like CloneZilla or something, and then you have to boot up the computer and then hook up the drive through the SATA. I mean, you have to do all this stuff. And I just love taking the drive out of the computer, hooking up to our source, hooking up the SSD to our target, and doing a quick clone, or I think it's called duplicating on here. Actually, it's called copy. And it's a great, easy tool to just securely wipe a drive if you want to sell it on Let Go of Craigslist, or if you just want to, let's say you want to clone a client's hard drive and you want to upgrade them to a solid state drive, and you don't want to have to reinstall Office and Windows and all that jazz, and you can just literally just duplicate their hard drive to an SSD, and it's very cool. And I'll show you real quick here. Let's go ahead and just do a quick erase on these two drives, and I'll show you how easy it is. As soon as you see the yellow light, that means it's powering up the drive. And once the drive is powered up, then it'll start doing the formatting. And as you can see, the green lights are now flickering, and that just is telling you that it's erasing the drive. And it's going to be pretty quick because, like I said, all it's doing is formatting the drive basically. And as you can see, it's already done. So it's pretty quick. And I love it because you can do two drives at the same time. It makes it process a lot easier when you can do two things at the same time. So I just wanted to show you a couple of things. In the erase mode, you can do quick erase, full erase, which is almost the same thing. You can still recover data that way. So you want to do a DoD wipe, and you really can't get data from that. It also has some other utilities in here. You can show the disk information, which is nice because it can pull serial numbers, how many hours it's been on, which is nice, the model number, all kinds of information. So the copy is what I use when I want to duplicate. We're going to go ahead and stop that because we don't want to copy. That's going to take a while. But that's what the option you would want to use when you're trying to copy a spinning disk to an SSD. So you want to use that copy mode. You can do a compare. Copy and compare, and the erase I use a lot for the DoD wipe. But yeah, that's all there is to it. I mean, it's pretty easy. It's pretty fluid. Anyone can just use it just to duplicate their SSD to another SSD, or if they want to clone a spinning drive to an SSD so they can get that faster performance. But yeah, I love this little thing. It works great. So I definitely recommend this product.